Most developers know Docker pull, but there's a second way images get downloaded automatically that often catches beginners off guard. Let's cover both. The primary way to download an image from Docker Hub is the Docker pull command. Type Docker pull followed by the image name. For example, Docker pull Nginx fetches the official Nginx image. Docker Hub is Docker's default registry, so no URL is needed. The image gets stored in your local Docker image cache, ready to use as a container base. Image names can include a tag to pin a specific version. After the image name, add a colon followed by the tag. For example, Docker pull Ubuntu :22. .0 forgets Ubuntu 22.04 exactly, not whatever happens to be latest today. Similarly, Docker pull Python :3.9 slim pulls a lightweight Python 3.9 build. If you omit the tag entirely, Docker defaults to latest. In production, always use explicit tags to guarantee reproducibility. Here's the second pull method. Docker run will automatically fetch an image if it's not found locally. So Docker run Nginx checks your local cache first and pulls from Docker Hub if the image is missing. No explicit pull needed. For private or enterprise registries, prefix the image with the registry hostname, like registry.example.com/myapp:\v1. To pull Docker images, use Docker pull with image name and tag. And remember, Docker run handles pulls automatically if the image isn't local. Follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.